Welcome to China, a land where food isn't just a meal, it's an art form, a story, and a celebration of centuries-old tradition. From the bold spices of Sichuan to the delicate flavors of Cantonese cuisine, every region has something uniquely delicious to offer. Today, we're exploring 10 of the most unique Chinese dishes you absolutely need to try. Our journey begins in Beijing with the world-famous Peking Duck. This dish is known for its paper-thin, crispy skin and tender meat, served with thin pancakes, scallions, cucumber, and sweet bean sauce. Every bite is a balance of flavor and texture, rich, savory, and sweet all at once. Next, we head to Sichuan Province, home of the fiery Mapo Tofu. Soft tofu cubes are cooked in a spicy bean paste sauce with minced pork, chili oil, and Sichuan peppercorns, giving it that iconic numbing heat sensation. In Shanghai we discover Xiaolongbao, or soup dumplings. These delicate parcels are filled with savory minced pork and a rich broth that bursts out when you take a bite, a true explosion of flavor. A symbol of togetherness, Chinese hot pot lets you cook meats, seafood, and vegetables in a simmering broth right at the table. Different regions have their own versions, spicy in Sichuan, herbal in Beijing, and mild in Yunnan. Originating from Hangzhou, Beggar's chicken is marinated, wrapped in lotus leaves, covered in clay, and baked slowly. The result, tender juicy meat infused with herbal aroma, a royal treat born from humble beginnings. Don't let the name scare you. Stinky Tofu has a strong aroma but a surprisingly addictive taste, crispy on the outside, soft inside, and bursting with flavor. A true street food legend found in cities like Changsha and Nanjing. In Cantonese culture, dim sum means touch the heart. These bite-sized dishes, from shrimp dumplings to barbecue pork buns, are served with tea, often as part of a relaxing weekend brunch. In the city of Lanzhou, noodle making is a true art form. These hand-pulled noodles are served in a clear beef broth with slices of tender beef, chili oil, and fresh herbs, both comforting and refreshing. China's answer to the crepe, Jianbing, is a breakfast favorite made from a thin batter, eggs, scallions, cilantro, chili sauce, and crispy wonton crackers, all rolled up for a delicious on-the-go meal. Lastly, we have Zongzi, a traditional sticky rice dumpling wrapped in bamboo leaves, often filled with meats, beans, or dates. It's especially enjoyed during the Dragon Boat Festival, a dish steeped in history and symbolism. From savory soups to sizzling street snacks, China's cuisine reflects its diversity and deep cultural heritage. Which of these dishes would you love to try first? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures across Asia.